tale that started long ago on the Sleepy Hollow Trail. When the air is filled with the chill of fall, he's the one who leads them all. From witches' laughter and ghoulish growls to ghosts and monsters on the prowl. With a glowing pumpkin to light the way, he's lurking to find his perfect prey. He's the bringer of Halloween fear. Beware, the headless horseman is here.
Minnie and all their friends have come together at the spookiest time of year to say boo to you as they proudly present the not-so-scary Mickey's Boo to You Halloween Parade!
Hope you're having a good time.
It's not so very scary.
Wow, you look terrific.
It's really not so scary. Boo to you, boo-boo. Boo to you, boo-boo. Boo to you, boo-boo. Boo to you, boo-boo.
The best harvest hoedown I've ever been to. Worse, now that I think about it, it's the only harvest hoedown I've been to. Yeah!
Wendell! Yeah, Wendell!
Oh,
Why are there two horses?
It's good to be back. It's good to be back. The love about the very scary fun that we had. Was a chill water thrill. Yes, you know that we will. So prepare to be scared. It's just part of the drill. This is true. Here you go. It's the thing that we do. And to you, we can rest. It's the one we do best. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. It's fun to make a world to make the progress so glad. The smells ringing and the suits are so well. All the fun that we have, yes, it's good to be back. You're sure to get a fright. Promise you'll get a trick and not a treat. It's not really something, but it makes us really happy.
¡Hola, Maléfica!
And you, we're not being mean. It's just part of our routine. We'll scare you and we'll spook you just for fun. As Halloween arises, beware of our surprises. It's the fun thing we do to scare you both. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. And laugh about the very scary fun that we had. Was a chill water thrill. Yes, you know that we will. So prepare